10 years ago, two young men decided to save money on a plane ticket and secretly climbed into the landing gear compartment of a passenger aircraft. They waited for a moment when no one was watching, hid inside the technical bay, and then took off with the plane on a long flight, practically halfway across the world. Their final destination was the United Kingdom. The conditions they had to endure were deadly. Over 11 hours of flight, at an altitude of more than 11 kilometers, where temperatures drop below -60 C and there is almost no oxygen. Survival in such an environment is considered impossible. Yet a real miracle happened. Shortly before landing, when the landing gear began to extend, one of the young men lost consciousness and fell out. The second, however, somehow managed to hold on, remained conscious, and survived the entire flight without severe health consequences. Immediately after landing, he was detained by the police, and during a phone check, officers found a video he had recorded while inside the landing gear compartment.